Okay, now exercise 3.6, question number 2, first question. Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours and upstream 4 km in 2 hours. Find her speed of rowing in still water and speed of the current. Okay, here you have to assume two things. We have to find out speed in still water and speed of current. So speed in still water we are assuming it as x, and speed of current we are assuming it as y. So how to keep this in mind, downstream and upstream. So suppose for example, simply let me say, இப்போ நம்ம வந்து ஒரு மலை இருக்குது, இப்போ மலையில் ஏறுறோன்னா ஏறும்போது என்ன ஆகும், நம்ம வந்து ஸ்பீடு ஜாஸ்தியாக கொடுக்கணும், நம்மளோட ஸ்பீடு வந்து ஜாஸ்தியாக இருக்கணும். பிகாஸ் த கிராவிடேஷனல் ஃபோர்ஸ் வில் புல் அஸ் டவுன் இல்லையா. அப்போ என்ன பண்ணணும், அந்த கிராவிடேஷனல் ஃபோர்ஸை விட நம்மளோட ஸ்பீடு என்னவாக இருக்கணும், ஜாஸ்தியாக இருந்தால் தான், நம்மளோட எனர்ஜி ஜாஸ்தியாக இருந்தால் தான் we can move up. ஸோ இது let our speed be x and the gravitational force speed be y. So what it will do, the gravitational force, it will pull us, நம்மளை சப்ராக்ட் பண்ண வைக்கும், நம்மளோட ஸ்பீடை டிக்ரீஸ் பண்ணும். அப்போ நம்மளோட ஸ்பீடை டிக்ரீஸ் பண்ணால் என்ன பண்ணும், எக்ஸு மைனஸ் ஒய், இப்படி ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. இப்போ இதே இங்கே டாப்புக்கு போயாச்சு. இப்போ டாப்புக்கு போனதுக்கப்புறமா கீழே இறங்கும் போது எப்படி இருக்கும், ஈஸியாக இருக்கும். ஸோ அவர் ஸ்பீட் அலாங் வித்து த கிராவிடேஷனல் ஃபோர்ஸ் ஸ்பீட் ரெண்டுமே சேர்ந்து வி வில் ரீச் ஃபாஸ்ட்லி. ஸோ அப்படி இந்த மாதிரி ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. அப்பு டவுன் இப்படி ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோ. ஸோ அப்பு மீன்ஸ் எக்ஸ் மைனஸ் ஒய், ஸ்பீட் ஆஃப் அப்ஸ்ட்ரீம் பி எக்ஸ் மைனஸ் ஒய், ஸ்பீட் ஆஃப் டவுன் ஸ்ட்ரீம் பி எக்ஸ் ப்ளஸ் ஒய். அதாவது தண்ணியில் போகும்போது, இப்போ நம்ம வந்து தண்ணியில் போயிட்டுருக்கும்போது என்ன பண்ணணும், நம்மளோட ஃபோர்ஸ் ஜாஸ்தியாக இருக்கணும். அப்போ தான் என்ன ஆகும், வி கேன் மூவ் அஹெட். ஆர் எல்ஸ் வாட் இட் வில் டூ, we will come back. அதே இப்போ நம்ம அங்கேருந்து மேலேருந்து கீழே வரோம்னா ஈஸியாக வந்துடலாம். பிகாஸ் அவர் ஸ்பீட் அண்ட் தட் ஸ்பீட் டுகெதர் இட் வில் புல் அஸ் டவுன். ஸோ ஈஸிலி we can reach the destination. So always keep it in mind. Upstream means during upstream speed is equal to x minus y, and during downstream speed is equal to x plus y. And what is the formula, distance is equal to speed into time. So here they have given distance as 20 km. You can see in the question distance as 20 km, time is 2 hours. So suppose if we want speed, we can bring this time to the denominator. It is multiplication becomes division. So distance by time is equal to speed. So according to first condition, what they have given, downstream 20 km in 2 hours. What is downstream speed, x plus y, downstream speed is x plus y, and destination is 20 km, time is 2 hours. Distance is 20 km, time is 2 hours. So 20 divided by 2 is nothing but this is 10. And upstream how much, speed of rowing in still water, and upstream 4 km in 2 hours. So upstream speed is nothing but x minus y, upstream speed is nothing but x minus y, distance is 4 km, time is 2 hours. So when we divide, distance by time is equal to speed. When we divide, we will be getting 2. So we get 2 equation. When you solve this, you will be getting what is x and what is y. X is nothing but speed in still water, this is current means water, speed of water, and this is what you are rowing in still water, speed in still water. So we got Ritu speed in still water 6 km per hour and speed of current is 4 km per hour. இது அவளோட ஸ்பீடு, இது வாட்டர் கரண்டோட ஸ்பீட். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் கம்மிங் டு நெக்ஸ்ட் ஈக்குவேஷன். 2 women can finish, next sum, second subdivision, 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. So we have to assume listen, let the time taken by one woman to finish the work is equal to x days. ஒருத்தங்க அந்த ஒரு வேலையை முடிக்கிறதுக்கு எவ்வளோ நாள் எடுத்துக்கிறாங்க, எக்ஸ் டேஸ். இது யார், உமன். அதே மாதிரி மென்னுக்கு என்னென்னு வச்சுக்கணும், we have to assume it as one man to finish the work in y days. So one woman to finish that work is equal to x days. அப்போ total number of days x days. அப்போ ஒரு நாளைக்கு எவ்வளோ வேலை செய்வாங்க, ஒரு நாளைக்கு. So for one day how many work they will do, 1 out of x. Number of days is x. So on x la one part they will complete, out of x one part they will complete. Who, woman. So one woman's 1 day's work is equal to 1 by x, and one man 1 day's work is equal to 1 by y. Totally they are taking y days. One day one part out of y, that they will complete. Here how many women they have given? 2 women. So 2 women, this is one woman's 1 day's work. So 2 women means you have to multiply this by 2, so you will be getting 2 by x. And 5 men, 5 men means 5 by y. Together they will complete in how much, how many days? 4 days. Actually 2 women and 5 men together they will complete the work. They both will complete how many days? 4 days. They will complete the work in 4 days. What work? One work they are completing in 4 days. This is number of men and women into that number of days to complete one. What is one? It is that particular work. So this 4 you have to bring it to other side. That's why we have got 1 by 4. In the 4 multiplication irukka andha pakkam pona enna division ayirum. That's why we have got 1 by 4. 2 by x plus 5 by y is equal to 1 by 4. So this is men and women together they can complete in 4 days. What they are completing? One particular work. ஒரு வேலையை 4 நாள் இந்த மென்னும் உமனும் சேர்ந்து செய்கிறாங்க. இந்த மென்னும் உமனும் சேர்ந்து 4 நாள் எடுத்துக்கிறாங்க to complete that one work. Okay, then second condition what they have given? 3 women. So 3 women means what? 3 by x and 6 men they both are taking 3 days. இவங்க ரெண்டு பேரும் 3 days எடுத்துக்கிறாங்க அதே ஒரு வேலையை செய்கிறதுக்கு, சேம் ஒர்க் டு கம்ப்ளீட். ஸோ இந்த 3 இந்த பக்கம் வந்தால் என்ன ஆகும்? 1 by 3. So we have framed 2 equation. As usual you have to assume the common terms. 1 by x, here also 1 by x, or here what they have did directly they have did. Instead of reducible form directly also you can simplify. Here minus minus minus, this 6 by x will get cancelled. 15 minus 12 is nothing but 3 by y. This when you simplify you are getting 1 by 12. So 3 by y is equal to 1 by 12. When you cross multiply 3 12s are 36 is equal to y. So what is y? 1 man, time taken by 1 man to finish the work, so 36 days. Similarly when you substitute y you will be getting number of days a woman has taken. So one woman to finish the work is nothing but 18 days. You will be getting 18 days. Next coming to very important sum. Coming to third sum. Ruhi travels 300 kilometer. Distance is equal to nothing but 300 kilometer. Distance is 300 kilometer to her home, partly by train and partly by bus. She takes 4 hours if she travels 60 kilometer by train. See actually இந்த ரூஹிங்கிறவங்க 300 கிலோமீட்டர் ட்ராவல் பண்ணுறாங்க. அதை வந்து கொஞ்சம் வந்து ட்ரெயின்லையும் கொஞ்சம் வந்து பஸ்லேயும் ட்ராவல் பண்ணுறாங்க. ஸோ பாதி ட்ரெயின்லேயும் பாதி பஸ்லேயும் ட்ராவல் பண்ணுறாங்க. We don't know how much distance she travelled by train and how much distance she travelled by bus. So train, let us assume the speed of train be x kilometer and speed of bus be y kilometer per hour. Speed of train be x kilometer per hour and speed of bus be y kilometer per hour. Total distance is nothing but 300 kilometer. As usual formula, train sum, board sum எது வந்தாலும் this formula you should write. What is the formula? Distance is equal to, or time, if we want to find out the time, time or speed, what we have to find? Time means distance. Actually the formula is distance is equal to speed into time. Okay, so if we need here speed or time, whatever it is, that what we are actually what we want, that we will be assuming with the variable. So what variable generally we used to assume? X and y. So here we have assumed speed as speed of train as x and speed of bus as y. So here time is equal to distance by speed. What they have given, she takes 4 hours. Time is nothing but 4 hours. Distance by speed, train bus rendu sethu. Train how much she takes? She travels 60 kilometer by train. Out of 300 kilometer, 60 kilometer she is traveling by train. So 60 divided by what is speed of train? X. Why we are dividing? Distance by speed will give you time. That's why distance by speed. Then here train plus bus, both time how much it is taking? 4 hours. So if 60 kilometer by train means how many kilometer by bus? 300 plus 60 subtract panna you will be getting 240. 240 by y. So totally train and bus together she is taking 4 hours. Second condition, 100 kilometer by train. So 100 by x, speed of train is x. So 100 train remaining 200. Then only you will totally when you add you will be getting 300. 300 by y. She takes 10 minutes longer than the previous time. 10 minutes longer. In the time 10 minutes longer. So 4 plus y we are dividing by 16. This is given in minutes. We are converting to hours. So 10 by 60. So 4 plus 10 by 60. If you want you can cancel. Next is 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 1 is 25. So you are getting 25 by 6. This step you will be getting directly 100 by x plus 200 by y. So now you will be getting two equations. What are the two equations? 60 by x plus 240 by y is equal to 4. All will come in fourth table, isn't it? So we can divide by 4. So 15 4s are 60 plus 6 4s are 24. Is equal to 1. Similarly here the equation is 100 by x plus 200 by y is equal to 25 by 6. So when you divide this by 100, when you divide this by 100, what will happen? When you divide this by 100, 100 by 100 is 1 by x, 200 by 100 is 2 by y is equal to 25 by, we are dividing by 100, isn't it? So this is 1 times, this is 4 times. So you will be getting 1 by 24. So what shall we do now? This we can multiply by 15. So when we multiply this throughout by 15, what will happen? Let this be first equation and let this be second equation. 15 by x plus 60 by y is equal to 1. Keep this as first equation. Then second equation alone we are multiplying by what? 15. Second equation we are multiplying by 15. So 15 by x plus 2 into 15 is 30 by y is equal to here 15 by 4. Plus means minus, plus means minus, plus means minus. So you cancel. 60 minus 30 is 30 by y is equal to 1 minus 15 by 4. So 1 minus 15 by 4 you have to cancel and do. You will be getting the answer for y as well as for x. So here 1 by 6 4s are 24. So 1 minus 15 by 24. So now cross multiply. 30 by y is equal to 24 minus 15 by 24. So 30 by y is equal to 9 by 24. So what will happen? If you want you can cancel. So how will you cancel? This third table, this is 3 times and this is 10 times. So actually 10 by y is equal to 3 by 24. Reciprocal it. 10 by y is equal to 3 by 24. When you reciprocal, y by 10 is equal to 24 by 3. This is 1 times, this is 8 times. 10 will go that side. Y by 10 is equal to 24 by 3. This is 1 time, this is 8 times. 10 again when you multiply with this, y is equal to 80. So we got y is nothing but speed of the bus. Speed of the bus is equal to 80 km per hour. When you apply y in any one of the equation, you will be getting speed of x is 60 km per hour. So finding x is for you, you have to find out the value of x.